G'day mate, this is Chris from Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. It's another beautiful day on the coast. I'll just turn this around. We're doing this beautiful bathroom and all I've got to do now is this niche. So I'm going to trim it in aluminium and then do penny rounds in the back, which I'll get my centre line there and go either side, work it out that I've got exactly the same cut top and bottom and to the sides. It's going to be the dark tile around there like that. So we'll get started. Right, so with the trim I always cut all the same angle. I don't move my cutter. It's all the same angle, and then I cut 4 of the other angle. I'll mark it so there. Right. Four of that. I always use a piece of timber. It's a lot safer, a lot easier to hold your aluminium, and you're able to hold it square. You should never try and cut it like that, because it can go on an angle. You muck it up real quick. But when it's on a piece of timber like that, it's no sweat. So, then you mark which way it's going, like that. It's right hand side. Like that. Left hand side. Top. Oh, mark that the wrong way. Goes like that.